To know about the stock market performance in Excel, here what you need to do. First of all, we will type the names of the company that we want to search for, and we will select those names and we'll go to the data tab, and from the data type we'll select stock. Then after that we'll select the same list of the companies that we have written down before, and from this icon we'll select the currency and we'll select the market cap. Let's auto-fit this column for the market cap, and we'll select the highest priced in the market, and we'll select the low price, and from the after that we can select also the price of the stock, like how much the share it's cost, what is the price of each share. And we can also select also the change in the price, and we can choose also the change in the price in percentage. That's it. You have your data, and anytime you want to get the new updates, what you need to do, you need to click on refresh all. That's it.